Hello, good afternoon. This is Fabrizio and Julie. We are at Monte Rinaldi Winery, and today we are going to try the Refosco dal Peduncolo Rosso. The winery is the Merck winery. We are actually in Tuscany, as you know, but the Refosco dal Peduncolo Rosso is a type of grape which is a native grape of Friuli Venezia Giulia. So Merck is a winery which is whose owner is a friend, a dear friend of us, and he owns vineyards in the Friuli Venezia Giulia, where he grows also this fantastic example of Refosco. The vintage that we are going to try today is the 2007 vintage.
Okay, 2007 vintage for a wine, however, that has not been aged in wood. And so there are some interesting observations to make about this wine because it has a very ruby red color. The consistency, it's extremely consistent. So you know that it has done some good aging in the bottle through these last 2 or 3 years. In the aromas, at first impact, you'll get leather, but as the wine opens up a little bit, a more subtle fruitiness, a good minerality, dry earth, a little bit of vegetal aromas.
Yeah, the minerality is very neat and
Very
clear.
accentuated in this wine, yes. And in the mouth, it has good tannins. Good tannins, is a round wine, fresh in the mouth, good minerality because you actually feel it towards the end, long flavor in the mouth.
A very long finish.
Long finish, a good wine, good complexity. 2007, young wine, and yet it still has another few years,
Yeah.
good years in the bottle.
Definitely.
A good wine from Friuli, Refosco dal Peduncolo Rosso.
Okay.
Cheers.
Good job.
No, vabbè.